From cover display to inner display and even the internals of Galaxy Z Fold 6 is out, we already got the first ever hands-on look, which confirmed the things we really wanted in the Z Fold 6 is still in question. The S Pen support and new features and our dreams of having a wider cover display and bigger battery on the Z Fold 6, which I will explain in detail, so stick till the end to find more, and for more videos, don't forget to subscribe. Samsung is losing a foldable game, and we all know the biggest reason why people want a Chinese foldable over a Korean giant is the wider cover display. And this is the first ever hands-on video from a Korean YouTuber showing off a Z Fold 6 against the Z Fold 5. Although Z Fold 6 looks modern and up to date compared to the older design on the Z Fold 5, which Samsung was using since the Z Fold 2, but still people are not happy about the hands-on look of the Z Fold 6. Now these are some of the reasons. First, Galaxy Z Fold 6 is not wider compared to the Z Fold 5. The way Samsung achieved a slightly wider display is to reduce the hinge and make a phone boxier. Still, it is far from what we get on the OnePlus Open. The good thing which Samsung did is even all the size of the Galaxy Z Fold 6, which ends up giving us the symmetrical bezels on Z Fold 6 for the first time in Samsung Foldable. The reason I said it is slightly wider compared to the Z Fold 5 is because he put a screen protector of a Z Fold 6 on Fold 5, which shows us we cannot use it on Z Fold 5 as it is wider compared to the Z Fold 5. Is it wider enough? Obviously no. The thickness is also reduced on Z Fold 6. He measured around 12.5mm and lead thickness was 12.1mm, which means they reduced it compared to 13.4mm on Fold 5. This also helps Samsung to reduce the weight on the Fold 6. We got around 239 grams, which is 14 grams lighter than the Fold 5. This would be a huge difference if you are coming from any older foldable phone like a Z Fold 2, 3 or even 4. Now these things are good, but people don't want such updates. Although Samsung gave us more premium feeling to make a flat sides on the Z Fold 6, this looks good compared to the Fold 5, but do people really wanted it? Obviously no, they just want a wider cover display, and some people are also discussing we are going to see a titanium frame. Honestly, this looks good on the sides, but sources claims there is no titanium frame on Z Fold 6. The second big thing which people wanted from the Z Fold 6 is the new cameras. Now the first hands-on shows the lenses are slightly changed compared to the Fold 5, but what about the cameras themselves? Simple. Samsung is going with the 50MP main sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide, and a 10MP 3x telephoto sensor. Same selfie shooter and same UDC under display camera. Samsung is using same cameras from the past 3 years from Fold 4, Fold 5 and now Fold 6. Also, the younger brother, the Galaxy Z Flip 6, is getting a 50MP main sensor this year. Although Samsung will improve the optimization on the camera, but no update in the sensor. Another thing which people really wanted from the Z Fold 6 is the bigger battery, but still things are not that great. Foldables are not popular when we talk about how long will they last. With bigger displays and smaller batteries, it is difficult to compare foldables with a normal candy bar phone, and the story will be same with the Z Fold 6. Before, it was expected we might see a slightly bigger battery on the Z Fold 6, 4600, but later denied by Ice Universe, and he claimed we are going to see a same 4400 mAh battery. Yes, 4400. Samsung is using this exactly same battery from the Galaxy Z Fold 3, and Fold 6 will be the 4th generation we're going to see the same battery. Now the update is coming in the software side, although I believe they are making a big mistake, only relying on software, but we need to address the update. According to the source, Samsung is going to enhance the battery backup by 20 to 30 minutes, which is obviously what I'm expecting as screen on time. Now this source didn't confirm which thing is going to change. Now this is more like a battery AI feature on the Z Fold 6. Previously, source claimed this feature for S25 Ultra, but similar feature is coming on the Z Fold 6. Now I don't know how effective this would be, so we should take these numbers with a pinch of salt. With the first hands-on look of a Z Fold 6, things are clear about the S Pen, and yes, there is no built-in S Pen for the Fold 6, and still, people are confused, are we going to see a support for external display or cover display? No, there is no such support for cover display, and you still need a case to carry the S Pen with your Z Fold 6. But on the software side, Samsung is going to add some amazing AI features only for S Pen. Lately, Universe mentioned all the new AI features we are going to see on the Galaxy Z Fold 6, and some of those features are only for Spen. Initially, he stated this: One UI 6.1.1 contains many AI features, and this is not a small update, including AI functions appearing on the Z Fold 6, camera features, and more. Now, I will not talk about the S24 Ultra as the update will come in August, but Z Fold 6 will have all the new AI feature. Some of the features Ice mentioned in his next tweet. One UI 6.1.1 graffiti generation image function is the most fun AI function I've ever seen. Very good use of Spen and imagination. Let me explain what he was talking about. Just like the iPad, Z Fold 6 is getting a same note-taking app, and in that app, if you draw a rough sketch of an object, you can turn it into a picture using AI. This feature will come in iPad, and Galaxy Z Fold 6 will be the first foldable phone to have such feature. And this is great because Z Fold 6 will support Spen, and like other companies, no one offers Spen support on their foldable phones. And you can unlock your creativity by using this new feature on your Z Fold 6. By the way, after this feature, I believe Z Fold 6 will be the ultimate productivity device. Now, Z Fold 6 will also going to feature all the previous AI features and some new AI features, including the video AI. This was first expected for the S24 Ultra but never happened, like the object removal in a video and night vision. Now, one should say, will this cost the same as Z Fold 5 because Samsung made big changes on the software side and not a big hardware changes? But no, it's not the same. From the past couple of my videos about the Z Fold 6, I was talking about the price of a Z Fold 6, and by this time, we were not sure about the price, but internal source already confirmed months ago that we are going to see a price hike. Now, recent rumor claims big about the price of a Z Fold 6. Let me share the concept behind the price increase on Z Fold 6. So basically, Samsung is going to increase the price on both Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6, just like Galaxy S24 Ultra. And if you know, you know, Samsung increased $100 on S24 Ultra compared to S23 Ultra. They are doing the same thing with the Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6. So the new price will be $1899 for 256 gigs of storage. And each storage option has a $100 price increase, where the 512 gigs and 1TB versions of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is reportedly having $2,019 and $2,259 respectively. Same concept on the Z Flip 6. We are going to see a price at $1,099 instead of $999 on Z Flip 5. But if you're willing to buy a Z Fold 6, I would suggest you to buy in pre-order deals. You probably get free storage upgrade and great trade-in deals. Samsung is launching earlier, and the release date of a Z Fold 6, Z Flip 6, and Watch 7 series is confirmed. According to confirmed sources, Samsung will going to launch all these new devices on 10th of July, way earlier compared to last year, 26th of July for a previous event.